Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Adrian and today we're making this delicious meal for you. Today we have some coconut lime tilapia. Look at that sauce. Oh my goodness. Now guys, you can always substitute your fish. You don't have to use tilapia. And we're pairing this with some Jamaican rice and peas. Oh my goodness. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and let's get into the video. Jamaican Singing Chef and cooking tutorial. Welcome. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the Sauce Doctor. We are take over tonight. Sauce Doctor. Welcome back to Adrian, cooking and food review. All right, welcome to another episode of Sunday Dinner Pan IG. Today we're gonna be making some tilapia. So right here we have 5 pieces of tilapia already washed in lemon juice and vinegar. Here we made some spice rub with all my favorite seasonings. Now if you've been watching me, you know what my favorite seasonings are. You can season with your favorite. So what we want to make today is a coconut lime tilapia. Now you're gonna be like, coconut lime? Yeah, it's gonna work. This is my first time trying out this recipe. As always, you know me, I like to experiment with the food. I hope it doesn't fail. And of course it's Sunday dinner, so we're gonna pair that with some rice and peas. You want to make sure that you just season up your fish, rub it up, get all the flavors over it. Going with a little bit more. I want to make sure these are nicely cooked. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna fry these up so that they don't mash out. Then we're gonna make our coconut lime sauce, and then we're gonna just simmer this in there. So stick around, because you don't want to miss this recipe. Alright, so for our rice and peas, we have our peas already cooked, which is red beans. We add in the coconut milk, some scallion, thyme, allspice seed, whole scotch bonnet pepper, salt. We'll make this boil up right now, then we'll wash your rice and come back. Alright, make sure you season your rice and peas well. Get those fresh herbs and spices in there. Alright guys, so we have some coconut oil heated. We're gonna go in with our fish. This is a non-stick skillet, so that's just gonna help with it. We're gonna just fry our fish in this, and then we're gonna take them out, and we're gonna start making our sauce in a different pan, and then add our fish back in. So stick around. Alright, so we just want to lightly fry them because we want them to still have that moisture. So as you can see, the fish is going. We already flip it on the other side. They're looking beautiful. You can see that seasoning just sticking right on the top. It's also flavoring that coconut oil that we're frying them in. So once we're done browning the other side, we're gonna go ahead, take these out, put them on a separate plate. We're gonna finish frying off all of these, and we'll take it to the next step. So stick around. Sunday Dinner Pan IG, brought to you by YouTube. Turn up. How rich and delicious that coconut milk is. You want to make sure that you boil it up and kind of get those oils start to extract from that coconut milk. You want to go in with your rice and start stirring with a fork. Now, as you can see, I didn't measure anything. I'm using 2 pounds of rice. It's always perfect every time. So you want to make sure that you just stir, and once you can see the beans and the rice almost to the top, you know you have the perfect amount of liquid. So we're going to bring this to a boil, and once it starts drying down, then we're gonna go ahead, turn the stove down, and add a lid to it and let it steam. Alright, so stick around. Next batch of fish is frying up beautifully. We only have 1 piece left to fry. Once all of them are fried, then we'll come back. We're gonna move over to there, and we're gonna show you how we're gonna get this coconut lime flavor into our fish. So I'll see you in just a few. Alright, so as you can see, our rice start to dry out. You wanna just go in and just fluff the rice. Cover this up and let it steam for about 10 to 15 minutes. Alright, so we'll see you in about 10 to 15 minutes when our rice is going to be nice and fluffy and delicious. Alright guys, so our rice is going, almost done. Our fish is already browned and set to the side. We have scallion, thyme, green pepper, onion, garlic, tomato. We're going to go in with the juice of 1 lemon. Now, I didn't have any lime. Lime and lemon work just the same. Yeah. Alright. There we go. Then we're gonna go in with a splash of vinegar. We're gonna just combine all of this together and I'll see you over at the stove. Rice and peas is done. We're gonna go ahead and put this to the side. We're gonna start working on our fish, all right? All right, so we add a little bit more coconut oil to our dripping. It's gonna get a little smoky, okay? So we're going with our lime veggies. We're gonna go ahead and saute these for a few minutes until they start getting translucent. And then we'll be right back to add in some seasonings and our coconut milk, all right? So I'll see you in a few. All right, so our veggies been sweating down in the lemon. We're gonna go ahead and go in with our coconut milk. We're gonna use a half of a can. This is a 13.5 ounces. And then we have about half a cup of water. We're gonna go ahead and combine this. We're gonna go in with some of our spice blend. We're gonna go into taste. And we'll be right back where we're gonna come in with some red pepper flakes. I'll see you in just a moment. So our seasonings are in. The aromatics are so good. We're gonna go in with our red pepper flakes and then we're gonna add in our fish and we'll be right back, all right? All right guys, so we have now added in all our fish and everything. We just wanna base our sauce over the top. There won't be a mukbang for this, it's only the recipe. Now we're trying to show you a few more cooking recipes on the channel. We're gonna go in with a little bit of dried parsley. All right. And we're gonna let this simmer down for a few more minutes and we'll be right back to show you the finished product. All right guys, so look at that sauce. Oh my goodness, the flavors of this is so amazing. We're gonna go ahead and make some cabbage. I have a cabbage recipe on the channel. I'll link that down below. And you can see how we make that and we're gonna plate this up for you. And I'll see you in just a few. IG Sunday dinner. See it there? Coconut lime tilapia. Now y'all gonna say, Adrian, you're crazy, right? But listen, when you good in the kitchen, you're good in the kitchen. You can't just make it up, me. I understand. Look how beautiful that looks. Listen. Shout out to my friend Eat Spicy with Tea. Listen, me, she not cook traditional either, you know. See it there? We're gonna plate up this phone now, and I'll see you in just a few. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Here's our finished product. Just look how delicious that looks. Oh my goodness. I want to say thank you so much for watching. If you like the content and you've been here before and you still haven't hit that subscribe button, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss a brand new upload. And as always say, share with your friends, share with your family, share with your neighbors. Don't be selfish because they want to be a part of this fun and personality. Please don't click off the video just yet because you want to be serenaded by the one and only Sillis Mukbang. Thank you for today. Love you guys and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.